SAT prep, and private college counselors. Higher education is not as meritocratic as we'd like to.
I don't mean to be mean, but looking at this woman, I don't think you're gonna get much out of her and her people. I don't think you're gonna get anything out of them. They look lazy. The way they talk is just is kind of disgusting. Like nothing she's talking about, she created, her people created, nothing. Nothing. Not one thing. What? How can you be so involved in something that you just got lucky and popped up on? Like, what did you do to make better or to add to any of the subjects that she's talking about? It's uncomfortable. It's really uncomfortable.